Are you a designer who's confused about your style? Are you stuck while building a unique identity?
Wow, dramatic.
I'm here to help because I've been there. I've felt that. At first, I was afraid. I was petrified. Not so relatable now. Let's use a metaphor. There was inspiration everywhere in photos, on the screen, from people I knew, from places I'd been. So many styles all around, yet my unique voice nowhere to be found. I was struck with the realization, oh my, to know what style I liked, I had to give each a try. It took some convincing and bribes and manipulation, but to know what style fits us best, the trial room was the destination. We mixed and we matched, we threw away and we snatched, and over time realized just how much we've grown. To know who we are and what suits us, we just had to get out of the comfort zone. Finally, on that note, we need to get rid of those shorts. What? Why? They're 9 years old, 4 sizes too large, and have holes everywhere. We will never part with them, even if they've stopped serving us. They're too comfortable. Excuse me? If you're struggling to find a style, it's probably because you're too attached to one thing. You can't say that. I understand it's difficult, but it's important to embrace change. Even if it hurts you and breaks your heart into a million pieces. Please like, share and subscribe. It will help contain this. Some pretentious running.